Good morning, people. Papa Sammy here. Look, one of my subscribers came back yesterday and told me what this is. It's a True Temper. The three, more likely, a 3-pound axe. And the name is True Temper. Criteria around 1950. Now, the reason I asked, I went and talked to the guy to get this axe is it's so slim. Look how it's built. It's so easy to handle. The old axes we used to have, the old single bit like this, they were ugly. Big old clumsy looking ugly axes. This one is just the way it's built. Uh, I'll show you a picture in a minute of the handle, how it used to look. And when I redid it, I could not find a handle, and I wanted to keep it original. So what I did was, I went to Sherwin-Williams and talked to them, and I explained to them that I was trying to salvage what I was doing with the axe handle and all. Well, the guy behind the counter said, "Sir, I got just what you need. It's called wood hardener. It's a liquid. I don't know. I've lost my can. I was trying to find it to show y'all, and it's in here somewhere. God knows where. Anyway, it's a liquid. And I took that old handle, it was all splintered, and I rubbed it on it. Soaked it. Let it dry, put about 5 coats, and look at that. Now it's supposed, and it's not flexible anymore. It's solid. It's hard to see. It was all rotted in here. I went in and filled that in with putty and put the wood hardener on it. This was all rotted out. So what I did was, the head was loose. I got the head in position, poured the epoxy in here, and then sanded it down smooth. The axe was cracked real bad right here, right there. And I said, well, I don't know if that wood hardener is going to do it. But I'll tell you what, it's got to be some kind of an epoxy because it got down in his axe handle. And I mean, it's stout. I would not use it to cut wood. In fact, it's not sharp. I deliberately did not sharpen it. Hopefully, in the future, somebody will say, well, you can't cut with that and not burn my axe. Because I don't know how it would hold up under pressure. And I'm sure that epoxy would crack out eventually. But anyway, I've had a lot of questions on that axe. And a shout out to the young man that told me what it was. True Temper, 1950.